Protecting the environment is extremely important to me.
For me, this course is all about self-control.
Conscious eating strengthens and purifies our bodies.
Wow.
Are you really gonna eat all that?
Elsa, please, can you just eat something for a change?
I'm eating consciously.
I find it so important to teach our kids how to reduce their consumerism.
She gave me the tea.
I don't know exactly what's going on here, but I think Miss Novak is manipulating our children.
I'm out.
She can't be serious. Don't you get it? It's a question of faith.
I have to rely on you. Take good care of our child.
I hereby declare you members of Club Zero.